Do my bum, y'all.
Watch this.
Leon, do my bum.
What we're making?
Lip gloss.
Well,
So first you get to oh damn you. Stop saying that. You get a container. Ew.
Do one each.
Yeah.
Yay!
Here's your container.
I want purple. I want purple. I
Yeah.
want purple.
There's your container, Leon. And here is my container. Yeah, your container is better. Right. Now you have to pick a colour out of all of these beautiful colours. What is this?
No, Leon, that was mine. Oh, Leon, give me.
It's purple?
Oh, wait, go. This color.
Let me
Can't
just put it.
forget it. There we go.
Oh.
You.
Okay.
I want you. This is my color.
Okay, so you unwrap it.
yeah. Unwrap it.
Just
Wait.
let me wait.
I'm gonna get some more balls.
What?
Balls.
Is that
What do I do now?
Yeah. Now put it in your bowl.
Oh, what do I do
Put it in
now?
the
Right, you
bowl.
snap it up and put it in the bowl.
You put it in the bowl.
In different chunks. I don't care how many pieces, but it's easier if you have it in not tiny bits, but like 3 pieces or small bits, so it doesn't.
Why are you doing that?
Get in it, Lucy.
What?
Get in the camera.
Get in it. No.
Just turn it the other way. Leon, I mean turn it like
Her way.
that. Oh. So then we're on it.
Oh yeah, perfect idea.
But then they won't watch with the proper way.
So they can turn the phone around, can't they?
No.
Right. Can't get the stupid wrapper off mine. There we go.
I couldn't, but then I did.
Put that in
So
the
let's
bowl.
eat a crayon, by the way.
Right, okay.
I mean, Lucy,
Now-
this is a lot. This
Ah.
is really.
Yeah.
Now
Break it.
put yours, because yours is ready, inside the
Mine's
microwave.
done.
Wait. Put it inside the microwave.
No, not that.
That much. Right. Inside the microwave.
God! Oh my gosh!
Lola, what happened there?
I don't know. What's that? We'll have to take the tin foil off. Don't put tin foil on.
You're not gonna see him.
Okay, Maisie, can you knock on us because we're busy?
Okay.
Good. Okay. Bye.
Scoop it up, man. That was Maisie.
Oh no.
Oh, by the way, don't
Don't put tin foil in the microwave. It's in the big blue explosion.
and you gotta wait
It's
like
very
1 minute and 30 seconds, and now you
think you
gotta
brought the
open your
microwave.
containers.
Oh.
It's okay. It's my fault.
Not off.
Right. Okay. No. Right. Check if it's done. Is it done?
No.
Oh, that's why I missed an ingredient. Don't do that.
Did you miss water?
No.
She's missed an ingredient.